Hey everyone, I'm Carl with Centurion Pro. Today I'm excited to be doing an unboxing of the Centurion Pro Gladiator trimmer. Before you get started unboxing and assembling the machine, make sure that you have everything you need to get started. Behind me you'll notice that there's both a crate and a box. The box contains the blower for the machine and may have been shipped separately. Make sure you have both the crate and the box before you get started. Known worldwide, the Gladiator is one of the highest capacity trimming machines on the planet. It is perfect for any large commercial-sized operation. Let's get to it. Start by putting the blower on the side where the impeller is. Screw the 4 wheels onto the blower, then tighten the wheels with the nuts. To assemble the hopper, use the provided set of screws, washers, and nuts. You'll notice that they came in a separate bag attached to the hopper's manual. Use a screw to hold the legs with the side frame. Then, secure the screw by placing a washer and tightening with the nut. Repeat that process for the second frame. Use the 10mm wrench from the toolkit provided to assemble the hopper. Make sure that the rods are facing inwards on the front of the frame. Finish the assembly of the hopper by placing the rod's top cover and rubber feet. When placing the mesh bag, make sure the opening faces the front of the hopper. The triple bag Kief and trim collection system comes inside 3 different labeled bags. Start with the inner black mesh bag, labeled A. Place it inside the white filter bag, labeled B. Grab the end of the assembled bag and pull it inside the outer polyester bag, labeled 4HP. Finish your installation by sliding the diverter onto the side of the blower. Grab the triple bag system, slide the larger hose clamp onto the collars. Then place the triple bag system onto the front of the blower and tighten it with the hose clamp. We just covered the unboxing and assembly of your Gladiator trimmer. Make sure you visit our website and complete the warranty registration within 30 days of purchase. If you still have any questions related to unboxing and assembly of your Gladiator trimmer that we didn't cover in these videos, please reach out to us at techsupport@cprosolutions.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for other great videos to help streamline your operation and make the most of your trimmer purchase. In our next video, we're going to do an overview of your assembled trimmer, including its key components and electrical requirements. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Happy harvest.